guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're back with another video. And today I'm just going to be solving a Rubik's Cube here. So yeah, just make sure to count how much seconds. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And yeah, let's go right into this. I'm pretty good at it now. I used to kind of suck. Let's go. Count how much seconds. Remember, 3, 2, 1, go. Done. So how long did it take me, guys? I don't know, but I solved it, as you can see. Here, blue, white, green, yellow, red, white, orange, yellow, blue, blah, blah, blah. Okay, you know I solved it. So yeah, that was pretty easy. You just pretty much got to memorize your moves that you mixed up. You just got to memorize and then reverse them. That's what I do. So yeah. See you all in the next video, I guess. Bye.